Hey guys, Justin here. I am in Chai Wan right now with another train. But going back. Here we go. Let's go back now. Quarry Bay. This sound will happen. Perfect.
請勿靠近車門，前不要靠近車門。Please stand back.
Wow. I laughed when I saw that person. As soon as you hear take my cow and tell please stand back from those, she starts running. She knows one of the trains are leaving, but she went into the wrong train. Next station, Hang Fan Chin. Doors will open on the left.
This train's just late.
Roll. And hello City Bus. And hello New World First Bus. That's the depot for both buses. And it's filming Chris time. A sabotage filming on Chris while he was not noticing. Just the back though, no face. And another perfect stopping spot. Hang Fan Chin.
請勿靠近車門，前不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
Down. 請勿靠近車門，前不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the doors. Sao Kê Wan. 下一站烧鸡湾 Next station, Chai Wan. Chai Wan. That's a lot of people. They're a perfect stopping spot. Alright.
請問靠近車門，前不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
No, my spots. All of my spots just got taken. Keep moving and keep looking for spots. Spot right here. C159 Next station, Chai Wan. Chai Wan. Holy crap, so many people. And recently a Hong Kong professional for a politician, I guess, say something very stupid and saying that he said, we're trying our best to get Chai Wan and MTR to stop. Wow. And Chai Wan has MTR since 1980 something, so geez, 1985 there's already MTR for Chai Wan. And Chris has left me. He's over there now. That's kind of unfortunate, and screw him.
Next station, Taikoo.
Taikoo and Quarry Bay. We're in the Quarry Bay. Another train. Oh my gosh, more people here. Taikoo. Wait for the train to leave. Will I actually bump into Will Mystery again? He actually lives here, very close by.
請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
下一站鰂魚涌，乘客可以轉乘將軍澳線。下一站鰂魚涌，乘客可以換乘將軍澳線。Next station, Quarry Bay. Interchange station for the Chai Wan line. Quarry Bay, Quarry Bay. Here we go. Let's get out of here. nhất tầm cho hông ngon nết Wait for the train to leave by sitting on this not a chair. Not a chair. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. No more requests will be accepted, so please do not request anymore. Feel free to check out the link, not feel free, please check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Subscribe to Chris, link is in the description down below. And what have you listened to?
Something.
Something very mysterious. Peace.
What is the mysterious thing?
I don't know.